urbanization is to actually having an education. But first of all, how exactly the guarantee that you can overgeneralize all the urban are going to actually pursue to the higher level of education, ladies and gentlemen. Because what we are going to talk about in the debate is basically about the economic development, which is basically goes to the background of the urbanization. Those background of urbanization is basically about to gaining much more money for better life inside of the society. And then they have to prove, even if the aim of the urbanization is basically to find a job or even to gain money, it is still justifiable for them to be urbanized to the greater city, to majorly battle towards technocracy. First of all, under headline of the education, they said that it is going to limit the right of the society to gain education. SMA Negeri 2 Sekayu even, it is actually a school created in the rural area at the very first place, simply because Alex Nurdin would like to create a better education in that school, ladies and gentlemen. And then we say, we are not going to limit those kind of things. We are going to, in order, power those urban, those people inside of them to create a better future, to create a better things in the future. So that we say that our stand is very clear. We would like to have to give the potential towards the urban area. So that's why the government will create a better school, will create the other SMA 2 Sekayu in the other secluded or even rural area to creating a better solution towards this kind of thing. If then finally all people from Sekayu coming to Jakarta, it is impossible to create an SMA 2 Sekayu, right? So you have to actually negate with this kind of basis. Another thing is that if then they finally talk about Unila is actually different between UGM and also UI, we say that this is justified if then finally you would like to go for the education. Because of why? Because in order that you are going to go back and creating your school, and then we agree with this, but we say that the value of blue collar people is actually backlashing the idea of them. Because of what? If then finally they said we are not going to allow those, they assume that we are not going to allow those people going to abort because there will be some blue collar people. We say that it is also going to be created by allowing them to go to the higher level of education. Since they have the skill, knowledge, and also interpretation of this, they are going to create a blue color people also inside of the rural, since they are only the one who go to UI or even UGM. So this is not justifiable for them if they claim about the education itself. And the second is about the justification. The justification of this motion. We say that you are not going to let the sovereignty of country. You are not going to keep the sovereignty of Indonesia. Because of why? Because if you let those person coming to Jakarta only, those Sekayu and the other Punggung Raharjo in Lampung will get taken by the strange company simply because nobody else inside of them. Under this motion, I would like to deliver to you two major points of argument. The first is about this is actually about the goods of adopting economic development policies of discourage urbanization for both developing countries and also those urban itself. And second, about what is going to be hard for the Jakarta as the urban center, as the urban aim, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on to the first idea about the good for the developing countries. We say that it is going to creating GDP. Why is that very so? First of all, we say if then those people in the urban stay there, they are going to actually maximize those potential. They are going to be incentivized by those government to actually have the model for that, the capital for that. They are going to expand and also larger those those potential resources. And then by that, those companies will simply see looking at that and have to invest the money or even building their manufacturing or even factory inside of that, since they know that actually that is the raw material coming from their product, ladies and gentlemen. And then by building the factory, we say that the UMR will be getting higher since they need the labor with this, so then those unemployment will get reduced. Simply because opening the company will create the more job vacancies towards the labor itself, and ladies and gentlemen. And why? And then this is going to be achieved only by our proposal, ladies and gentlemen. And for the other things is that it is about the competitiveness inside of the community. If then finally those companies look, says for example, PT Nestle Indonesia exactly about the Nescafe itself, they are taking the coffee bean coming from Punggung Raharjo in Lampung, ladies and gentlemen. What is exactly the proposal of Nestle? The proposal of Nestle is like they would like to create a better coffee bean inside of Lampung to be compete against the other production of the coffee. So that what is actually Nestle doing? First is about training, second is educational, and the third is about workshop on how they plant the coffee bean, on how they drying the coffee bean so not going to be mixed to the rock and also the stone or even the wood, and how is exactly the way of doing the rice up high so that it's not going to get gosong at the very first place, and what is exactly the fertilizer or even the quality of bean that is the company expected. By that it is actually beneficial for both the company, since they can compete towards the other, creating a good for the customer, for them the labor, they get the UMR with this, and we say that this is justifiable, ladies and gentlemen. And the second is those urbanistas. We say that it is going to increasing the prosperity, since it is increasing the UMR, because those farmer and also labor will get more money, since then the company building their things inside of that. If then finally the aim of the urban is to get money, we say that this is achieved in our stance because of why? Because those people will get the money because of the potential has been used. And moving on to the second, what is actually the harm of this kind of thing? We say that it's going to creating the secluded area inside of Jakarta. Jakarta are already overloaded, ladies and gentlemen. Lots of geprek or even street beggar or even street musicians there, because those people is too ambitious to believe that actually they have the higher quality in order to making their money and in order to gain that UMR, but finally they don't have that quality at all. So then it is going to actually backplacing, it is going to creating the higher criminality, since they have no way, they have no job, they are going to still be hungry because this is the human consumption, so then they will do anything in order to fulfilling their primary need. If you fall